Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do double digit multiplication. And so double digit multiplication, it involves multiplying each digit of one number by each digit of the other, and then finding the sum of the results in their correct place value positions to find the final product. Now that probably sounds a bit confusing, so I'm going to model this out with an example. We're going to do 23 times 25. So let me first draw this out. As I said here, you multiply each digit of one number, so 5 here, by each digit of the other. So we're going to do 5 times 3 and 5 times 2. So we're going to do, what's 5 times 3? 15. And you're going to bring over numbers if they're more than 10. So 15 is more than 10, so you're going to bring the 1 up. And then you're going to do 5 times 2, which is 10. And then you're going to add whatever the number you brought over. So 10 plus 1 is 11. So you got 1, 1, 5 for the first row. And then we're going to go with the second. You need a placeholder. So you got to make sure that's in their, the correct place value position. And then you're going to do 2 times 3 and 2 times 2. So 2 times 3 is 6, and there's nothing that you're bringing over, and then 2 times 2 is 4. So as you can see here, I multiplied each digit of one number by each digit of the other. So you're just doing 5 times 3, 5 times 2 first, and then 2 times 3 and 2 times 2. So now we're just going to find the sum. So we're going to add them together. 5 plus 0 is 5, 6 plus 1 is 7, and then 4 plus 1 is 5. So that is the answer, and then we're going to do some examples on the next slide. Let's do 45 times 39. So first you do, going straight, 5 times 9 is 45. So you want to know your multiplication table. It would make it a lot easier than having to do separate calculations. And then 9 times 4 is 36, but we also bring over numbers if the product is over 10, and then, add that to the product. So 36 plus 4 is 40. And then over here we also have, well, we can erase the 4 now since we already used it, but we also have a product over 10 with 3 times 5. Let's do the placeholder. 3 times 5 is 15, so we're going to bring it and then go straight ahead. 4 times 3, 12, plus 1 is 13. So you're always adding whatever you brought over with the next step. So 5, 5, 7, 1, that is your answer. Let's do 68 times 72. You would first do straight ahead, 16. We also are bringing over, because it's over 10, then you're going to do diagonal. 12 plus 1 is 13. Here we have 7 times 8, which is 56. Let's erase that 1, because that we already used it. You can erase it once you've used it. Then you're going to do, 7 times 8 was 56, so we moved it right up. And then straight ahead, 6 times 7 is 42, plus 5, so 47. And you just add it all up. Make sure you don't, like sometimes people shift it back because you forget to put the placeholder, and then you get the completely wrong answer. So always remember that whatever's here, there's nothing under it. It's just 0. So 6, 9, 8, 4. That's your answer, 4,896. Now we're going to do 53 times 26. Straight ahead, 18 over 10, so you pull the 1. Diagonal, 5 times 6, 30, plus 1, 318. You put the little placeholder, because nothing should be below the 8. 2 times 3, 6. And then 5 times 2 is just 10. So write it out like that, 1,378. And for our last example, 44 times 88, you want to go 4 times 8 is 32. Now you do the diagonal, which is also 32, but you have to add in the 3 because you brought over the number. So 32 plus 3 is 35. Now we can erase it, the brought over number, and then 8 times 4 is 32, again, 3 again, so it's just 32 straightforward plus 3 for a total of that. And then you just, the placeholder, 7, 8, 3 for a total of 3,872. Hopefully that was helpful and helped you guys understand some strategies that will help you do double-digit multiplication, and eventually with more practice you'll get really good at it.